headlines for the day.
While recently we had names tossing up such as Kareena, Katrina and Priyanka for Ashutosh Gowarikkar's Mohenjo-daro, here's the latest update with Sonakshi stepping up for the same. Yes, if reports are to be believed true, then Sonakshi recently met Gowarikar and further expressed her desire to be a part of this Hrithik venture. Ooh, which means Sonakshi and Hrithik to erupt a new on-screen pair? Well, now isn't that some drastically unexpected pair up? Though Sonakshi will fit in apt for the exotic traditional role in the film. But well, landing herself with Hrithik looks a bit of an unusual match, na? Nonetheless, we can't predict so soon, folks. Maybe the two will strike a chord with their debut pairing or maybe not. And most importantly, it's on Ashutosh to decide if Sonakshi will make it to this Mohenjo-daro ship. Everyone who knows Salman Khan would definitely know that this actor has a heart of gold. So, it's not surprised that Salman Khan has now agreed to not charge any fee for Suraj Barjatia's Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. Yes, Salman has not quoted his fee for Suraj. Ooh, confused. Wondering why is he bearing his loss with no fee? Well, Salman and Barjatia's friendship goes back a long way and it is after 15 years that they are teaming up yet again with Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. So, striking an impressive deal, reports suggest that Salman suggested Suraj to sell the film to a particular channel that airs only his movies, and with Suraj agreeing to do so, this Bollywood biggest Khan felt it was a small thing to waive off his fee. Now, isn't that too courteous of him, benefiting both ways? Well, such things can only happen in Salman's case. Good job, Salu. Hundreds of pages have been filled up with Ranveer Singh and Deepika Padukone's love story, but the Ram Leela actor plainly confirms that he is single. Yes, in spite of several dinner dates, on and off-screen chemistry and PDAs, Ranveer maintains nothing is brewing between the two and recently also sought to clarify that he is merely close to his co-star and there is nothing more between them. Ooh, shocking, na? Having lately spotted a love pendant around Dippy Baby's neck, we wonder why is Ranveer denying to so much fury? In fact, irking to no bounds, Ranveer further posted uneasy over also being tagged as a couple. Well, Ranveer, you may be telling the truth, but we ain't convinced at all. How about you, folks? And moreover, is he hinting to have dumped Deepika? You never know. Salman Khan's body is undoubtedly the stuff of legends. Not only is he the original muscle man of Bollywood, but he has also trained a trail of heroes to achieve their perfect physique that rings around our B-town heat. So, crawling to not much of a surprise, new to join this Salman's bandwagon is none other than newbie heartthrob Vijayendra Singh. Yes, Vijayendra, who is all set to make his Bollywood debut with Akshay Kumar's upcoming thrill Fugly, was recently caught up with his media interaction is when he confessed taking boxing tips from Salman. In fact, Vijayendra himself is a bronze medal boxer, but when asked Vijayendra if he tried trading a few punches with Salman, he instantly said, "Arey baapre, Salman se panga kaun lega?" Ooh, seems like Salman has got his yet another protege. But will Vijayendra live up to Salman's high hopes?